Oh, and there's more. Get this. We're having a special giveaway here. I'm trying to build up my audience, so I'm doing like Mr. Beast, and I'm going to give you guys prizes. But I'm not rich like Mr. Beast, so they're not going to be quite as exciting as his prizes. But here's the deal. Go on to the TikTok. I'm sure you've heard of the TikToks. And mine is o.hi.I'm.cooking. That's my TikTok. Go on there. Subscribe. DM me. And then I'll pick one lucky person. And they'll get an amazing prize that's going to like blow your head off. It's so awesome. Hi, I'm cooking. And it's the holiday still over here in Chicago, like probably your house too. So I'm going to keep on going with the cookies just like last week. These are good cookies this week. So when I was a kid, there was a restaurant in Minneapolis run by a lady named Mama D. And she did all kinds of like really cool things for the community. Like she helped training people who were in prison and did like all these kinds of great things. And she also made all kinds of great food because she had a restaurant. So we're going to make one of her cookie recipes that my mom always used to make when I was a kid. So we're going to make it over there today. And we're going to see what happens. So first up, we need 3 eggs. We're going to dump them in the bowl like that. 3 eggs. Notice I got everything pre-set out, just like Roseanne Benzino would do. Now I need 1 1/4 cups of sugar. Boom, sugar. Oh, that's a lot of sugar. A lot of sugar. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Now I need 1 3/4 sticks of butter. That's a lot of butter. Nope, that one didn't fall out. There it goes. Next up, I need 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla, which I put in this cute little rainbow bowl. Hello, vanilla. Oh, delightful. If you ever want to buy a candle from me, make it vanilla scented. Now I'm going to take this spoon. I'm going to start mixing it. Before I put in the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to mix this stuff first. This is kind of like your gooey, gooey, basey thing going on here. So I'm going to mix and mix and mix and mix. It's looking good. Looking good in there. Smells great because that vanilla and the sugar. Whew, it makes for great smelling stuff there. That's a little bit mixed up here. Now that it's a little bit mixed, I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. First up is 3 teaspoons baking powder. Boom. And lastly, oh, it's heavy. This is 3 cups of flour. It's a lot of flour. Okay, so now, mixing. Someday I'll get like one of those fancy mixers, you know, the ones that are pretty colors and the bowl underneath there, and it like goes and mixes everything for you and makes you like a superstar. But right now I don't have that, so this is gonna take a little while. So you don't want to watch this boring mixing. So we're gonna cut here, and we're gonna come back when it's all mixed up. Okay, so I'm back. I spent some time mixing and then kneading the dough. It was very exciting. Then I put it in some saran wrap here, and I stuck it in the fridge for 20 minutes. Now we're going to take it apart and put it on here, and then we're going to stick it in the oven. And this is where the magic happens. So you want to take a little chunk off. You want to roll it into a ball. Now here's where the thumbprint part comes. You want to take your thumb, and you stick it way down there, like a big deep dent. And then I take this filling, which I made out of orange marmalade, peach preserves, golden raisins, and cinnamon. You can take that, and you're going to put it right down there. Some people like to put some pecans or almonds and stuff in there, but I'm not doing that today just because I went to the store and they had some pecans there, but I was like, you know, these pecans don't look quite up to the standards for why I'm cooking. You know, they were a little weak looking, I thought. So I'm not going to use them. So I'm just going to keep making them here. Rolling them out. Slapping them down. That one's a little small. Slapping them down. There we go. That's a little bit too big. But you know what? Is a cookie ever too big? No. I don't think cookies ever too big. Oh, these are going to be so good. Did I say I got cinnamon there? I got cinnamon in there too. I don't know. Cinnamon's good. So I'm going to keep on doing this, and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. They were in the oven for maybe like 15, 20 minutes. Whatever out there. I don't know. Who cares, right? You just peek and you look, and when they start to look, let me show you. When they start to look kind of golden on the bottom and a little bit on the edges, then they're ready to go. So after they became that nice golden edge color, we took them out. We let them sit there for just a few minutes. You know, I went down and checked my mail, came back, and then I was like, okay, they're probably pretty good. And now is the best part, because now is the part where I get to eat them. I can get here close up. You see that? How close? Is it awesome looking? Wow. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite now. This is a recipe you'll tell your ancestors about. It's so good. It'll make your life a better place. See you next week.